Poor thing. Oh.
Olivia, you have hiccups? Oh. You have hiccups. Oh.
God.
Oh no.
Hey, wait, what's going on? What's going on here? You hungry? Bless you.